Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to understand and learn the question answer from the final exercise of chapter Gravitation. The first question is, how does the force of gravitation between two objects change when the distance between them is reduced to half? So we have to see that how much gravitational force will change when we are reducing the distance to half. So let us first write the gravitational force formula, that F equals to G into capital M into small m divided by d square, which is a distance square. Now we have to reduce the distance to the half. So instead of d, we are taking d by 2. Instead of d, we are taking d by 2 because distance we are reducing it to half. So instead of d square, we are keeping the d by 2. So F equals to G into capital M into small m divided by d divided by 2's whole square, because we have reduced distance to half. Once we will solve this, we will get G capital M into small m divided by d square divided by 4. Now this 4 is in the denominator. So denominator will go to numerator. So we will get here G into capital M into small m divided by d square. Now in this formula we can see here, this is our original formula of force. So this is our force, gravitational force formula. So this is gravitational force into 4. So our force equals to force into 4. So that means that if we are reducing a distance to half, gravitational force will be 4 times more than that of the earlier force. So as distance is lesser, the gravitational force will be higher. So we have reduced distance to half, so gravitational force has been increased to 4 times. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.